Good day. We had a project that required confirming if multiple cells contain same values. So I thought to share the solution. What is on the screen now is just a simulation of the problem. 10 different persons were assigned 5 projects each, and column B to F shows if the project for each person is complete or not. The goal is to confirm the persons who have completed all their projects. Equating two cells will show true if they contain same value and false if they contain different values in cells L2 and L3 respectively. Equating B2 to C2 gave us true. This is because they contain the same value. While equating B3 to C3 gave us false because they contain different values, which is normal. It is expected that equating cells B2, C2, D2 would give us true since they are all complete. But that is not the case. It's giving us a false. Hence, equating anything above two cells will give a wrong answer, as seen in column G, where values from 5 cells are equated all true. Column H contains the formula that confirms if the value for the 5 projects for each person is the same, while column J contains the formula that confirms if the value for the 5 projects for each person is equal to a given value and also the same. The COUNTIF function and the if function were used for both of them. The first parameter of the COUNTIF function takes the range of the values to be compared. That's this part. Takes the range of the value to be compared. While the second parameter takes the expected value. We then equate it to the count of values in the range. That's the count of values. If it's supposed to be 5 or 6 or 7, in this case it's 5 projects, so it's equal to 5. Then the if statement then plays its part such that if the result of the counting function is equal to the count of value, it gives true. If it's not, it gives false. By the way, let's keep in mind that we can also use 1 and 0 to represent true and false as seen in column J. The major difference between H and J is that the second parameter of the COUNTIF is not the same. The formula in column H uses the first value from the range of values to be compared. It can also use any value from the range to be compared. This is because it is checking if all values in the range are the same, while the formula in column J references a given value because it is checking that all values are equal to that given value. And here our given value is complete. Considering that the goal is to confirm the persons who have completed all their projects, column J has our result. A practical example that explains why column J has our result is the difference in H4 and J4. H4 has true because Jerry's project have same value, as we can see, but the values are not complete. They are incomplete. So it doesn't consider if they are equal to a given value. All it checks for is if the values are the same. Reason we said you can use any of the value as the second parameter. While J4 has false because it not only considers if they are the same, it also checks if the value that are same are equal to the given value. I had to bring this up because it can easily be an oversight. That's all for this session. Thanks for joining. Do have a beautiful day.